Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fix a squeaking car door. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. If your car door is squeaking when you open it or close it, there are a few easy things that you can do to prevent it from squeaking. Okay, the first step involves lubricating the areas that might potentially be squeaking, and the second step involves moving the lubricant within those hinges. So I have my car door open right here. Now, for full disclosure, this door was squeaking before. However, I fixed it recently. So I just want to show you what I did to fix it, and then I'll show you, I'll just recreate it, but it is not squeaking right now. For full disclosure, if I open it and close it, it is not squeaking right now. If you'll take a look right here, there are essentially three types of hinges that are controlling the car door. The first hinge is up here on the top that we're looking at. The second one is down there, the equivalent one at the bottom. And the third one is right here, which is right in between, okay? Now, most likely, I will tell you, most likely this hinge at the top or the bottom one are gonna be the ones that are gonna be squeaking. Very rarely will it be this piece over here, but we're gonna lubricate it anyways. Now, basically what you want to use is your favorite kind of lubrication. Now, you can use any kind of lubrication that works on metal. Remember, this is metal, so it has to work with metal. I'm just using WD-40. There are better ones out there, but this works really, really well for anything that I've used it on. So I'm gonna trust in the WD-40 because it helped the situation before and it works well every time I use it. So what you want to do is just apply a little bit of lubrication on the various points over here. So you can see on the top right here and on the bottom right here. These are the 2 points where there's actually movement when the door opens and closes. So take your WD-40 or whatever lubrication you use, okay? Any type of grease. There are some automotive specific types of grease which you can use. Like I said, but I just use this and it works well for me. So it's completely up to you, but you want to apply a little bit over there on the top of that hinge, a little bit on the bottom of that hinge over there. Then we're going to go down for this, and we're going to do the same thing on this one, a little bit on the top of that hinge, little bit on the bottom of that hinge over there, okay? And then we're gonna just apply it right over here. You can see there's actually a pivot point right here, just a little bit right there. Now, you don't need a lot. I've seen lots of people spraying it like no tomorrow, putting lots of grease on it. That's not necessary. Just a little bit will work. And what you got to do now at this point is you have to maneuver the lubricant around the door, around the hinges. So basically, I'm going to take the door, and I'm just sort of opening it and closing it just a little bit. And what that's doing is that's moving all of that lubricant around those hinges, okay? And even though the door stopped squeaking before, whenever you apply a lubricant like that or a grease of some sort, it just moves so much smoother. So you can tell, I don't know if you can tell, but the door is like so much smoother. It feels just really, really smooth, okay? The pivot points, the points where it rests on, like right here, it's resting on one of the points that holds it in this position over here, okay? They feel super, super smooth. And now this is another position right here, so I'm gonna move it slightly in this position, and then the next position would be closed, but I'm not gonna close it right now, just because my foot is right there. But you can open and close the door a few times. That will maneuver the lubricant around those hinges, and that should stop the squeak. Will it stop the squeak for years? Probably not, because it depends on why your car door is squeaking. But will it stop it temporarily, and you might have to reapply some more WD-40 or whatever you choose to apply in a few months? Yeah, that's going to be the likely scenario. So that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.